Kamala say change. She mean all kind of ways, like decrease the tax and increase the pace. Tired for work for just minimum wage. Been too long this tribulation. We have faced it for months and days. You politician, Mr. Big Man. Why you want poor people cry tears over the years? We need a change. We need a change. Kamala Wright, she a turn a different page. We need a change. We need a change. Yeah, man, from here the voice you know what Jah present for Kamala. I'm done talk. Hey, I hear me Montreal. A Jah represent me, I say your world links. Let me for know say the links start. Hey, I hear me. To all the things say Kamala no like it. Them take no myself from the market. Kamala want know what go on. Me say I too much confusion. Me beat up the poor taxi man. The youth them get wild. Walk one for the whole nation. Too much injustice situation. We need a change. We need a change. Kamala Wright, she a turn a different page. We need a change. We need a change. This corrupt system, it need for real. Kamala say change. She mean all kind of ways, like decrease the tax, increase the fears. Tired to play tune for minimum wage. Been too long this tribulation. We have faced it for months and days. You politician, Mr. Big Man. Why you want poor people cry tears over the years? We need a change. We need a change. This corrupt system, it need to rearrange. We need a change. We need a change. Kamala Wright, she a turn a different page. To all the things said we not like it. Them take do myself from the market. Kamala want know what go on. Me say I too much confusion. Them beat up the poor taxi man. The youth them get wild. I walk one for the whole nation. Too much injustice situation. We need a change. We need a change. This corrupt system, it need to rearrange. We need a change. We need a change. Kamala Wright, she a turn a different page. We need to take a stand. Certain things need to stop. As up in Canada, get a new drop. When you hear from the shot, him get killed by a cop. It's our next innocent life that make we demonstrate. We cannot live in a this state. The entire place devastate. That's why Kamala talk the truth. Get a youth. Real life on a different angle. Don't get caught in Babylon triangle. It's not easy in the concrete jungle. Say it not simple. We need a change. We need a change. This corrupt system, it need to rearrange. We need a change. We need a change. Kamala Wright, she a turn a different page. Make we turn a different page. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This system need for real.
With your host Kamala Me Don't Talk Right. On the phone we have Don G from Luxembourg in Europe. I thought Luxembourg was a part of Germany, but apparently I am wrong. So we're gonna be asking Don G some questions, and after we're gonna be playing some of his music. Keep it locked, Cjlo 1690 AM. Okay, Don G. So as far as to cultural identity, as the only Jamaican reggae artist in Luxembourg, do you ever feel pressure to be a cultural ambassador for reggae? And how do you stay true to your roots while appealing to European audience?
Well, to tell you the truth, I've never feel that pressure because it's my job and it's my work and it's something that I have to do. So I I don't feel any pressure really being a reggae ambassador and a novelty of Jamaica living in Luxembourg. So it kind of make the culture more on a wider scale, endorsing the Jamaican culture through reggae music and spreading the message.
Okay, okay. All right. So basically reggae is it struggles sometimes to get mainstream recognition. Have you ever faced any kind of obstacle in gaining acceptance?
Well, to be honest, no, I've never faced that here in Luxembourg, Europe, because the mainstream radio stations and TV stations and the newspaper, they always feature my song and feature Don G on a whole as a Jamaican reggae artist living in Luxembourg. I've received many airplays among the greats like Bob Marley. When I listen to the radio,
Mm-hmm.
I only hear like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Sean Paul, and those artists that break through. So me among them in that playlist, it make me feel overwhelmed and know that I'm a part of this industry and spreading the music to a wider mass on an international level. So
Yeah.
for me, I can't complain.
Okay. So you would never change your sound to appease to other parts of the world to gain commercial success. You just keep your sound the same way.
Well, I wouldn't say I keep the sound the same way, but I keep the message on a level and the
Mm-hmm.
lyrics on a level where it can consumed by anyone. Yeah.
Okay. So where do you see yourself heading in the future?
Hello?
Yeah, where do you see yourself heading in the future in regards to reggae music, in regards to the genre? I mean, Europeans, they accept reggae music in all state and all forms. But outside of Europe, do you see yourself elevating outside of Europe?
Yes, I've seen myself elevate from out of Europe.
Mhm.
I have toured Africa last year 2023.
Okay,
Last year 2023, yeah. I have toured Nigeria. I visit
nice.
the Lagos and I was booked for this show, the Celebration Festival, which is a big festival in Nigeria, paying tribute to the great Femi
Okay.
Fela Kuti. So
Yes,
I
I
was
know of that
invited,
guy. Yes.
right? So I was invited by the third generation, which is Femi
His great
Kuti, his son.
grandchildren.
Right,
Right.
and Yeme Kute and Made Kute. So that's how I reach in Nigeria 2023. And I
Okay.
perform at the African Shrine and at the Freedom Park. It was a great vibe, you know what I mean, and the audience, the people, they like my music. Actually, when I was singing my song on stage, I could hear people singing the song. I didn't know really. I know that my song is out there in the atmosphere, but I didn't
Yes.
know that people in Africa really know Danji.
Okay, okay.
Right.
So you're worldwide, you're recognized worldwide, so to speak.
Well, yes, I would say that. I would say that. And I've
Okay.
also toured the UK in the same year, 2023 also.
Okay, okay. That's nice. So when people look back within 20 years now, people look back on your career, what do you want them to remember most about Danji?
That Danji was a inspirational person, an inspirational artist, and a positive and a conscious artist. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I would like people to remember about me. It's not about like even the fame and the glitter. I just want to be this artist who leave a stamp in this music industry so person can remember and remember good things. You know what I mean?
Right.
So I stick to what I do and continue sing positive and hopeful music.
Yes, yes. So that also tied into the last question, purpose and message. I said, if you could achieve only one thing with your music, what would it be, and why would that be your ultimate goal?
Well, I would like my music to motivate people and like change the way of thinking, like the way of how person perceive life and think about life on a positive level and just believe in themselves and know that whatever you're doing, you just do it to the best of your ability and
Yes.
believe in yourself and trust in God and you will get there.
With the signs of the time and so much stuff happening all around the world in regards to war and violence within our community, as in the black community, do you have any message for the youths them?
Yeah man, the youth them now the message I'm gonna have for the youth them is that the youth them to just stay in a positive lane and just do the right thing. You know what I mean? Stay away from violence, stay away from crime.
Right. So for your upcoming artists, sometime not for you but other upcoming artists in the industry now who are trying to, make their stamp in the industry, what would you say to them in regards to their perseverance, how them to keep going? What would you say to them in regards to that? Because there's a lot of times that I talk to young artists and they feel like they want to give up, them no want to do the music no more. Them just want to give up and go look at 9 to 5. What kind of message would you give to those guys? Those
Well,
artists.
as I would say, a winner never quit and a quitter never win. So you just have to believe in whatever you're doing and
Mm-hmm.
do it to the best of your ability and just never give up and just continue persevere.
All right, all right. There you have it, massive Don G from Luxembourg, reggae artist, right here. So Cjlo 1690 AM. The program me done talk with Kamala, me done talk right. You want to drop a little piece of acapella for the people then before you go?
So many ups and downs, so many slip and slopes, treading on this lonely road with just faith and hope. Don't let go, that's all I know. Believe in your dreams, no matter how hard it seems. Keep on push on, you can achieve once you believe. Faith can move mountains. When one door closed, many more open. Faith can move mountains. When one door closed, many more open. Yo, Kamala, never gon' quit, never gon' stop. When life punch me, just punch life back. Them can't distract me with money or vanity. Even though you have to pay for learn, the bridges you cross never burn. Face no tribulations, we all are human. You might have go through a phase right now, Danji, I tell you this straight. I know you want faith can move mountains. Yeah, man, continue
Yeah,
move
man.
mountain, you know.
Bad, you bad. Yeah, man. You want to send a message to the Montreal people, them?
Yeah, man, I just want to big up the whole of Montreal, Quebec, you know what I mean? Big up the whole of Canada, Finch and Jane. Big up the whole quarters. Don't know when I can Canada, yeah.
Jamaican exclusive.
Send a drop of faith
Yeah,
Blessed
with
love.
man.
a single
Bless up
prayer.
yourself. One love, Jah
Jah will
guide and
show you the way.
protection. Me done talk.
So many ups and downs, so many slipping slopes, treading on this lonely road with just faith and hope. Don't let go, that's all I know. Believe in your dreams, no matter how hard it seems. Keep on pushing, you can achieve once you believe. Faith can move mountains. When wonder close, many more open. Faith can move mountains. When wonder close, many more open. Never gon' quit, never gon' stop. When life threw a punch, me just punch life back. Them can't distract me with money or vanity. Even though you have to pay for learn, the bridges you cross never burn. Face enough tribulations, we all are human. You might have got through a phase right now. Let me tell you this straight, I know you are. Faith can move mountains. When wonder close, many more open. Faith can move mountains. When wonder close, many more open. Your time might seem so long, but just stay strong. Me, I beg you, hold on. Positive mind, perseverance, determination. Faith can move mountains. When wonder close, many more open. Faith can move mountains. When wonder close, many more open.
There you have it, the song by Don G. Faith Can Move. Actually, the song is called Move Mountain. It's not called Faith Can Move Mountain, even though the chorus says Faith Can Move Mountain. But the song is called Move Mountain, and that's by Don G. Don, the letter G. You can find him on all social media platforms. Don, Dong, music on Facebook, and that's music that ends with a K on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it, he is there. Find him, listen to his music. He's a great artist. Sending love and respect and shout out. Thank you for the interview. And your songs, your words are inspirational, especially when you says a winner never quit and a quitter never win. Keep it locked to Cjlo 1690 AM as we bring you positive vibes, reggae music and consciousness.